Welcome to NS Lectures YouTube channel. In this video, I am going to explain what is Fishtail cipher. Before starting this video, please subscribe to my channel, and friends, I have uploaded complete information security tutorials. I will provide link in description. You can watch from there. Let's start our video. This Fishtail cipher is one of the most common block cipher technique. See, this Fishtail cipher is block cipher based technique. That means block cipher mean we need to divide message into equal number of blocks and then convert this message into cipher text. See, this Fishtail cipher is used to convert plain text into cipher text. See, most of the block cipher techniques will follow common structure known as Fishtail structure. See, most of the block cipher based block cipher techniques follow this Fishtail structure. I will explain this Fishtail structure in detail. See, in Fishtail structure, the first step is a plain text block is breaked into two halves. See, that means, see, for example, there is plain text. We need to convert this plain text into cipher text. So that we need to break this plain text into two halves. See, for example, I am breaking this plain text into two halves. For example, there is name Raju. I will break this as RA one side and JU as one side, whereas RA is of left side and JU is of right side. See, plain text is divided into left half and right half. The structure of Fishtail cipher. See, there is plain text. See, for example, this plain text is divided into left half and right half, and then see, this left half is XORed with F. F is nothing but key. We call key as F. See, for example, there is name Raju. So what I do is I will divide this name into two halves, left half and RA one side and JU one side, and then I will XOR. This plus symbol is known as XOR. I will XOR RA with one key. For example, key is H. Then I will XOR this. Similarly, I will send this right off to this key. Then what it form? It form as RAHJU. See, similarly, this left side is sent to right side, and similarly this right side is sent to left side. Similarly, I will XOR this left side one with key. Similarly, continue this same process until we convert plain text into cipher text. This is the structure of Fishtail cipher. Here there is plain text now. We need to divide plain text into left half and right half, such that I will add this right side text into this F stands for Fishtail cipher key. See, for example, this key is H. So what it forms? R H R J. H J U, and then I will XOR this right half with left half. See here, there is plain text. We need to divide plain text into left half and right half, and then we need to add this right half to the Fishtail cipher key. This F stands for Fishtail cipher function. We call it as function or key. This is known as Fishtail cipher. See, this plain text is divided into two halves. This is one of the important point in Fishtail cipher. We need to divide plain text into left half and right half, and then we need to add this function or key to this right half, and then we need to XOR this left half with this right half with this function. This is known as Fishtail cipher. If you like this video, please subscribe to my channel, and friends, I have uploaded complete information security tutorials. I will provide link in description. You can watch from there.